Okay, so we're most of the way through getting the sway bar bushings out. I'm going to take a quick pause and show you kind of how I did it. Not that it's the right way or the wrong way, but it seemed to work. What I started with is by popping out the bushing on this side, and then took an air hammer kind of around the edges you can see over here until I could get a screwdriver underneath it. And I also put a couple relief cuts in it with the Dremel. And this is kind of the end result. I kind of crushed it and pulled it through the hole. So we're gonna do that, and I'll do it on a time lapse here so you can watch. Alright, so in here what we're working on is the lower shock, so we can get to this bushing here and press out the old bushing. We'll have to do that on both sides.